So this kind of hook is different. Goes through and through. Let's stay like that. And drop down into the water. We still have half of this soup, so I'm going to cut 1, 2, so 4 more slices. The 4 more slices will be 8 pieces. Let's keep this for a while we are waiting. We try a lot of kind of bait, guys, every time that we are here and we do the catfishing. We use different type of bait. Sometimes shrimp, liver, and chicken, live baits. So this time we will going to
I don't know. Is he still there? I done told you, showed you how many times, how to get. Yeah, hung up should be a fisherman. Yeah, ain't nothing. Nice.
Oh, wow.
All right, make you see him.
Okay.
All right, there's your son.
So guys, this is our first caught for today. Yeah, so our first caught for today is the, what's this? Blue cat. Yeah, it's a blue cat using by the Zote soap. So how many minutes only, guys, that we put the bait in the water, and then we have already this very nice size of blue catfish. So let's wait another luck for today. It's really hook up nice. our fish number what? Number 9? It's 9 already, huh?
Yeah.
What happened? Why is dropping? Ah! What's that? It's dropping the egg.
Yep.
Yeah, so this is our fish number 9, guys. A blue catfish.
You got it?
Yeah.
Get down underneath.
It looks like very calm already. Oh, oh. It's moving, it's moving. Ah, come on, my love. Come on. Come on. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Do you see that? It's really down deeper there. It's moving, it's running, running. So we're chasing. Now, we need to keep going. Okay. That's why I do it. Okay. Come on down. Put in the boat. Oh. Damn. What happened now? This is number 2. Right? This is number 2.
Blue cat.
Huh?
Blue cat.
Yeah. But what I mean is, this is our fish number 2.
That's number 9 or 10, ain't it? Number 10?
Look, this one is okay. This is blue catfish again. Yeah, so we are almost going home. We're also set for today using by the Zote soap. Okay. And thank you guys for always following my catfishing. And thank you for watching my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell, so you are always updated of my video about fishing or everything. Again, this is Buhay ni Inday. Don't panic, please.
You can't pick him up with that.
Yeah.
You had to take a pair of pliers or something to pick him up.
So guys, this is the, I think so this is the biggest
He's about
blue
18 pounds.
catfish.
About 18 pounds.
About 18 pounds.